Want to transfer your WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without resetting your devices. Now let's get started. To begin, we'll back up your WhatsApp chats on your Android device. To do this, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Tap Chats. Scroll down and tap Chat Backup. Then tap Backup. Your WhatsApp chats will then be backed up. On your iPhone, open WhatsApp and enter the phone number you use for WhatsApp on your Android. Tap Yes to confirm. A verification code will appear on your Android screen. Enter the code shown on your Android into the verification text box on your iPhone. Then enter the display name you want to use for WhatsApp. Tap Done. Your chats will then be loaded into WhatsApp on your iPhone, and you'll be logged out of WhatsApp on your Android device. That's all it takes to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. For more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.